On January 16, 2018, YouTube announced their new monetization policy to encounter inappropriate content and put a near to impossible threshold for small YouTubers. We announced the new eligibility requirements for the YouTube Partner Program. Previously, the requirement to join YouTube Partner Program was 10,000 lifetime views. Now once a channel reaches 4,000 watch hours in the previous 12 months and 1,000 subscribers, it will be reviewed to join the program. This means you have to get 4,000 hours of watch time each year and overall 1,000 subscribers, which is not easy to achieve. After Logan Paul's video Suicide Forest Japan, the advertisers were very angry because their ads were running on these kinds of videos. So that's why YouTube came up with this policy. So the question is, what should we do now? Well, for me it is not an issue. I was never interested in making money from YouTube. I just love making videos. But of course, everyone likes to get some money by doing what they love to do. And 4,000 hours of watch time each year is really not an easy thing to achieve anyway. But there is a solution. I would not recommend trying this. You can just upload a video of 24 hours and just play it. You don't really have to watch it, just leave it full night open. If you have some really nice friends, you can ask your friend to do it also. And for 100,000 subscribers, you really have to work hard and make some really useful content, because no one will subscribe to your channel if your content sucks. And do not do subs for subs, it is just useless. They don't even watch your videos, they are just dead subscribers. To be honest, YouTube should make their policy flexible for the small YouTubers. I can understand that they want to make YouTube cleaner and safer platform for all the viewers. What we can do is share our content with our friends on Instagram, Facebook and Google+. Just don't spam like putting links of your videos all the time. What you can do is put a nice description and give other person a reason to watch your video. By this policy, they want to demotivate those persons who put useless, inappropriate and dumb content just for the sake for earning some money. And of course, YouTube is the biggest video platform in the world, but they should make their policy flexible. I mean only 2,000 hours of watch time will be more than enough. That's my opinion, and well, that's all. Check out my this video and thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Farewell.